Welcome to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys Podcast. We provide a knowledgeable guide on bankruptcy law in the state of Hawaii so you can stay informed and get the fresh financial start you need. With over 80 years of combined experience in bankruptcy law, at Blake Goodman PC, we're ready to listen and help you get back on your feet. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by founding attorney Blake Goodman.
In this podcast, we will delve into the possibilities of utilizing bankruptcy as a means to regain possession of a repossessed vehicle. Losing a vehicle to repossession can be a significant blow, impacting daily life and personal freedom. If you've experienced this setback, you might be wondering, can bankruptcy help me get my car back after repossession? According to bankruptcy attorneys, bankruptcy may indeed be a tool to recover your repossessed vehicle, but the timing and type of bankruptcy filed are crucial factors. When confronted with repossession, it's essential to understand your legal options and take swift action. With the assistance of a knowledgeable Maui bankruptcy attorney, you can navigate the complexity of bankruptcy laws and possibly retrieve your vehicle. Firstly, let's understand the process of reclaiming your car after repossession. Understanding the repossession process is essential to regaining possession of your vehicle. Here's what you should know. First, when you miss car payments, the lender can exercise its lien rights and repossess the vehicle. Once repossessed, the lender will sell the car at an auction and use the proceeds to offset your outstanding loan balance. Next, you must act swiftly to halt the process before the auction to increase your chances of getting your car back. The speed at which your car goes to auction varies based on your lender and state regulations, but typically, it can be within a few weeks. And if your car has already been sold by the lender, filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy might not be effective in recovering it. To optimize your chances of retrieval, file for bankruptcy before the sale takes place. By understanding this process and taking proactive measures, you can go through the complexities of car repossession and bankruptcy more effectively, potentially securing a positive outcome and regaining possession of your car. Now, let's explore the steps for reclaiming your vehicle following the filing of a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. During the automatic stay period, there are several ways you can pursue to reclaim your car, including negotiations with the lender. The automatic stays protection allows you to negotiate with your lender during this time. The lender may be open to modifying your payment amount, loan balance, or interest rate, especially considering the possibility of the debt being discharged through bankruptcy. However, if new terms are agreed upon, you will likely need to reaffirm the debt, making you personally liable for it once again. Another option is redeeming the vehicle, which involves buying back the car for its fair market value. This approach can be beneficial if your loan balance exceeds the car's current value. For instance, if your car is worth $2,000, but your loan balance is $5,000, you can redeem the car by paying the lender $2,000. Lastly, you could seek court approval for redemption. To redeem the car, you must file a motion with the bankruptcy court. If the court approves the redemption, you will need to make a lump sum payment of the redemption amount. Your bankruptcy lawyer can help you connect with a redemption lender to facilitate this process. By exploring these options and leveraging the protection of the automatic stay, you can take significant steps towards reclaiming your car and resolving the car loan situation during the bankruptcy process. Alternatively, here is how Chapter 13 bankruptcy can help resolve vehicle repossession. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, often known as reorganization bankruptcy, allows you to create a repayment plan to cover your debts over a period of 3 to 5 years. As bankruptcy attorneys will explain, if you file for Chapter 13 bankruptcy quickly enough after your car has been repossessed, you may be able to get it back. The automatic stay that comes into effect when you file for bankruptcy can halt the repossession process, including the auctioning of your vehicle, giving you a window to arrange for its return. If you file for Chapter 13 bankruptcy before the car sale, you have the option to compel the lender to return your vehicle and include the loan in your repayment plan, which spans from 3 to 5 years. Additionally, through a process called cramming down your car loan, it might be possible to lower your principal balance or reduce the interest rate on the loan. However, this strategy requires prompt action, and a knowledgeable Maui bankruptcy attorney can guide you through the process to improve your chances of success. Be sure to take into account the consequences associated with overdue payments in Chapter 13. Even if you can get your car back through a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you will still be required to address the issue of past due payments. These payments, along with any fees related to the repossession, will typically be included in your Chapter 13 repayment plan. While this means you can spread out these payments over a longer period, it also adds to the overall amount you need to repay. A Maui bankruptcy attorney can guide managing these payments and crafting a viable repayment plan under Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Keep in mind that if you require assistance with vehicle repossession, it's advisable to contact a seasoned Honolulu bankruptcy attorney without delay. If your vehicle has been repossessed and you're exploring the possibility of bankruptcy, don't hesitate to seek expert advice. At Blake Goodman PC, our team of experienced Honolulu bankruptcy attorneys can help you understand your options and make informed decisions about your financial future. When you reach out to us, you reach a compassionate, knowledgeable bankruptcy attorney who will listen to your situation and explain what you don't understand. Don't navigate these challenges alone. Contact Blake Goodman PC today and let us guide you through the complexities of bankruptcy law and the recovery of repossessed assets. To schedule your free case consultation, call us at 808-556-7833 or visit us online at debtfreehawaii.com.
Thank you for listening to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys Podcast. Going through bankruptcy can be a difficult and complex situation, but it doesn't have to be if you have us on your side. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Get in touch with the experienced bankruptcy lawyers at Blake Goodman PC Attorney today to explore your options.